Before that, I have explained what is FCV, foreign currency valuation and all. So I hope it was clear about for everyone. Now we are going to configure part, just a starting part like FC configuration, foreign currency transaction configuration. We just started. So we need to define the exchange rate type. So in exchange rate type, GBM, it is the indicator. G means bank buying rate, it is for exports purpose. B means bank selling rate, it is for imports purpose. M for average rate. Okay. So go through the we can go through the path in SAP. PRO, then SAP reference IMG, then go through the SAP NetWeaver, then go through the general settings. Let me check one second. Go through the currencies and go through the check exchange rate type. Go to the check exchange rate types. Here we can see that our GBM is also here or not. So we need to check that. Yeah, here is also mentioned G for standard transition at bank buying rate. So we don't need to create these things also. Again, we need to check B also. B exchange rate type. Yeah. B is also here standard translation at bank selling rate, and M we need to check that. Yeah, standard translation at average rate. Both three exchange rate also already mentioned. Then if we want to go through it, then go through the new entries, and you can also get that as per the requirement, but it already available, so it is not requirement to create. Okay, so check exchange rate types also already created. Then after it, we can go through the defined translation ratio. So what is defined translation ratio? Any ideas, Lata? Do you have any ideas about translation ratio? It's okay. It's okay.
Hello, 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 Sheetal. I want to know about. Hello.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Once
So,
again, just increase your Excel sheet font size.
okay, okay, no problem. Yeah. Is it
Yes,
visible so?
yes, that's enough.
Yeah. You can see that, Lata, based on our country requirement, how many countries should our companies start doing business in, considering we need to create a translation ratio. Like when we have a translation ratio 1:2, so we have a foreign currency revaluation
Hello,
are one.
Sheetal. What is the meaning for translation ratio? What way we can use that?
I'm just telling you, here is 1:1. It is the ratio type. Okay. So for an
Okay,
example,
okay.
we have a 1 USD. Okay. So 1 USD
Mm.
equal. Wait a minute. 1 USD equal to 18.5 INR. So it means that 1:1. This is the bank. This is the foreign currency translations. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Translation ratio. That is called. go through the path, then currencies. So here is defined translation ratios for currency translations. Yes, yeah. So here are you can see that for an example, I have created my own this is USD and to INR. Yeah. I have created these things today. So you can see that our exchange rate type we have created G and our foreign currency valuation USD and it is converted into the local currency INR. It is a today validity. So what is the ratio? Ratio is 1:1. It means that our ratio, for an example, I have 1 USD so is equal to 85 rupees. And if I have
Okay.
one, yeah, if I have 1:2, so it means that we have one USD means 85, so is equal to 2 into 85 is equal to 160 INR. System it's automatically calculated if it is requirement. As per the client requirement, we need to mention here ratio. As per the client country specific, we need to mention here exchange rate type and currencies also. Okay, if you want to create exchange rate for the ratio purpose, so go through the new entries. Like we want to create the uh, B exchange rate type. So here is
Okay.
if you want to another like I have already created the USD. So if you want that Australian dollar AUD, okay,
Okay.
and
Okay.
here are mentioned INR and valid from we can mention today date as well. So here is 1:1. Otherwise, 1:2 you can mention it, but I need to mention here 1:1. So this kind of activity we can done and we can create it, and after it we can save button. But right now it is not required. I'm just telling you only a dummy purpose, so you can see that. That's it.
Okay. Okay. That's
Again, go through the exchange rates. Exchange rates. We know that our exchange rate every day fluctuated. So according to that, we need to rectify in our SAP system. So go through the T code OP08. For an example, I have already G and from currency USD to from today. I have created G exchange rate type, so you can see that valid from today. I can mention here. Here is ratio 1 and USD, so is equal to 85,000 into ratio 1 INR. Again, we can go through the B exchange rate type. Yeah, here is mentioned B also there. So we need to you want to create this entry so we can go through it and again we need to create B valid from like today basis from USD and is equal to 85,000. Sorry, it's 85 only we can mention here and INR. Yeah, I have already created that one today. So you can also be exchange rate type. Ratio are 1 USD is equal to 85 and is equal to 1 INR. So this also happened in this thing. That's it. If you want to create, then go through that. Like as per your requirement, you can mention like B valid from like today date. Otherwise, another date what client wants. So you can do that, and from USD, any other currency you can indulge as per the requirement. And 85 or USD is 85, then 2 INR. As per the country specific, we can maintain here uh, our currency exchange rate type. If we five currencies in our business, so in here five currencies here as per the requirement. That's it. So we can also save it, but it is not required right now because I'm just giving some demos also. That's it. Yeah, exchange. So our foreign currency transactions configurations is also done. Then go to the foreign currency revaluation. So what is accounting principles? Do you have any idea?
Yes, reporting purpose we are using the accounting principles.
Yes. Okay. So as per we can go through the again. We need to go to the path. Go to the SPRO button. Then SAP reference IMG. Then financial accounting new. Then financial accounting global settings. Uh, Parallel accounting. Then go through the parallel accounting. Go to the lasers and parallel accounting here. Then go through the define accounting principle. So I have already created one, our accounting principles Q4. Okay. As per the we need to ask like in which accounting principles we can be maintain, like local GAAP, IFRS, international principle reporting, Indian accounting principle. As per the requirement we need to mention here, so I just mention here Indian accounting principle. And if you want to like how to create, let me show first. Like Q4 as per the company code. Okay. And we can also here IFRS, then save it. That's it. So it is used for the reporting purposes. That's why we need to configure the first one. That's the accounting principle or accounting principles has created. So we need to assign the accounting principle to laser group. So first one we need to go through that. And here is our accounting principle what I have created Q4, and here is 0L. Why 0L is put here? Why? Because this is the leading laser and this is the standard laser, and everything also recorded in this leading laser. That's why we are using this laser group. So we can go again. We need to go. No. Yeah. We can go. and if you want to create the entries, so how to do that? First we need to do that the our company, our accounting principle we need to endorse that, and after that our leading laser also here 0L, and we need to save it and execute it. That's it. Again we need to create the valuation methods. So again go to the SPRO, parallel accounting. Can you check the evaluate executed here? Hello.
Hello.
Yes, Sheetal.
So evaluate.
Valuation method you have to go.
Yeah, I know that. Like first one, like financial accounting global settings, then go through the parallel accounting, and after evaluate, execute is not here.
Click on the parallel accounting and define
Yeah.
accounting principles. Define and assign accounting principles also completed, right?
Yes, sir.
Now then go to Excel sheet. FC revaluation, financial accounting, global settings, ledger, select new entry button option. So the define accounting principles first one completed, first two.
Yeah. First two,
Uh,
it's already
the
completed.
define valuation method, financial accounting new, GL accounting. Uh, just go back. Financial accounting, GL accounting new, periodic processing.
Okay. Yeah, this one also. This is
Financial accounting global setting,
constantly. No,
GL
not in
accounts.
this.
Just go back. Just go back. GL accounts. In GL accounting, go to Excel sheet. Preparations.
Period.
Periodic
Period.
processing. Evaluate.
Evaluate. Yeah, this
Click
one.
on evaluate.
Yeah, and we'll define
Evaluation.
this. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. So here are we can mention like valuation method. This is the valuation method screen. So Q401, go through that and go through these things also. Yeah, I have already created. Let me explain first method. What our company code we have also put it down, and descriptions also mention valuation methods for the foreign currency valuation we are creating. That's why we need to describe this thing. And it come to the procedure in valuation. So here are the always evaluate radio button. We need to be do that. Why? Because whether it is gain or loss, so it would be high, it would be low. Both are happening on the particular thing. So that's why we are using always evaluate, and it is always used for the real time scenario as well. Okay. And here are mentioned exchange rate determination. Come to that. Exchange rate type for debit balance. As per I have already created the exchange rate type B. And credit balance we need to mention here. Exchange rate type for credit balance also B, because we have created the before that exchange rate in B also for the selling rate purpose. That's why we can also, if you want, then you can use it G also here, but it's okay. I have also used it B for the banking selling rate. So both are just happened. And here is determine exchange type from account balance. It's also click on that tab. And after that, we can also execute it and save button. That's it. So this our valuation method has been created. Then go back. And again, we need to create the valuation areas. Valuation areas, what is that? In valuation areas, we need to clear the valuation method. We need to create the currency types also. So valuation area, our valuation area was Q4 and valuation method is also Q401. Why is it happened both here? Why? Because it is interconnected both with each other. That's why we need to put there are valuation method and valuation. What is company code currency? What is currency type we need to mention here? So we need to mention here company code currency right now. But as per the client requirement, if it is also happened like group currency, so we need to find out the group currency. Otherwise, we can also put it down the company code currency as per the requirement. We can do it. Otherwise, it is not mandatory. That's it. Then save it and go back button. After that, assign valuation area to accounting principles. So go through that. Assign valuation areas and accounting principles. So as I have already created one, Q4 and our Q4, because our accounting principles was Q4, so that's why we need to mention here Q4, and Q4 valuation area was also Q4 I have created. That's why we are assigned to both each other. Why? Because this is the interconnection between both of them. That's why. And then save it. If you want, like how to create those things, how to assign those things, so go through the new entries, our valuation areas. Let's get example AB, AC, and our accounting principles AC. So then we can also put it down here and then execute it. That's it. Then again, go through the check 0L. Why is it checking? Firstly, we need to go through that. After it, we will discuss.
No, this is just checking purpose only. 0L, like whatever have a ledgers, either 0L is not there or that's one only. That is not a configuration.
Yes, sir. It is not a configuration, but
Yes, sir.
in extra laser group was also there, so we need to delete it. Otherwise, it would be triggered.
Yes, yes,
That's
yes,
why we
yes.
need to check first. Yeah. Go through the financial. Yeah.
Calculate that.
Yes, sir. Go through the lasers and go through the laser and yeah, define currencies of leading laser. Accounting group. So this one also there.
Define currencies of leading ledger.
So this one is correct.
Just click on that one.
Accounting group. So,
Click on new entries.
so
So,
not this one.
this is currency setups, right? So here only we have to fix like we have a company code currency, and if you have a group currency, then we will fix as a group currency as a second local currency, right? And third currency is a hard currency. This is in OB22 we have to fix it. In currency setup point of view, I'll explain that, right? SCC4, SCC1 group level currency, and OY01 hard currency, and uh, second local currency, group currency, right? Company code
Yes,
currency.
sir.
That you have an idea, that is enough, because simply company code currency means at the time of company code currency, whatever currency we fix, that is company code currency. Group currency means group level reporting purpose. In SCC1, we can fix it the group level currency, and hard currency OY01. That three currencies, as per our requirement, we have to fix it, right?
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Yes,
uh,
sir.
that knowledge you
Okay.
have, that is enough. Okay, let's just leave it
Yes.
and go for further steps. And once again,
Yeah,
explain
yeah.
valuation area. What is the valuation area?
So valuation area, we can say that where we have to mention our currency type and valuation method as per the requirement. That is called the valuation area.
Okay, currency type, and that is not the exact answer. As per business client requirement, if you want to generate FC revaluation run with company code currency, then we can use one valuation area. So we can create one valuation area. At that time, we can select the 10 per company code currency, and we can assign the valuation method. So with the help of particular valuation area, we can run company code level FC report. And if you want
Okay.
to group level also, we will create one more valuation area, one more valuation area relevant text, and same valuation method we have to assign here. There we have to select group currency 30, right? So that is
Okay.
also one of the interview. So I want to generate the FCD valuation with the two currencies, company code currency and group currency. How many valuation area I need to be create means? So we answer is two valuation areas. That is the difference.
Yes.
Let's carry on.
Okay, sir. Also requirement has done, then go through the last step, automatic posting for FC revaluation. So firstly, we need to check the GL account is also created or not. We need it like FC term loans account, cashier bank. It's already created. Exchange gain also we need to create. Exchange loss with need to create, and balance sheet adjustment is also need to create first of all. So we need to go through that GL account as well. FS 00.
Once section is
Then,
closed, you can join same link only, right?
sorry, sir.
Once section is closed, you will join same link.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. So here is I have created that one foreign currency loan, which is uh, foreign currency loan for the USD purpose, because we are using that the local currency towards the foreign currency. That's why we need to create the foreign currency loan USD. Then go to the control data. So here at account currency, we need to rectify USD dollar. Then go through the field status group would be the same G00N. and there are no errors, I think, yeah, no changes were carried out, then it's already saved. Again, go through the other income. We need to create the exchange gain account. So again, we need to create the account group. It's under other income. P&N, it comes under the P&L statement account, and we need to create the exchange gain account and go to the control data. In control data, INR would be the same, and sort key also 001 for the posting date also mentioned. Why? Because yeah, it is required for every GL account, because it is the assignment purpose we are used it the sort key purpose. And go through the field status group, it would be the same. Then it's already saved one. Let me post the GL account in FB50. So let's see and check how to document post in the FCV. So our document date would be the same. For an example, I want to create the rent account. Go through that. Rent account, debit amount would be like 1400, and go through the GL account, charts of account. Then our credited part is cash, otherwise bank. I have created cash, so we need to take the cash account. Then if we go for the credit, and our amount is 1400, and here is currency INR, so we need to mention here USD, because our foreign, if here are not mentioned in INR or USD, that is why we are going to the foreign currency revaluation. If local currency only there, so it wouldn't be happen in a foreign currency revaluation. That's it. So then go through the entered. It's entered this part. Go through the details. We can see that our exchange rate is 1885 here mentioned already. Okay, so exchange rate also fluctuates, so exchange rate also mentioned here what I have explained in the USD part. That's it. Go to come back and go to the simulate. Here are you can see that our for
Yeah.